morning. Isn't today such a great day? Today's a great day because today gives you a new opportunity to learn about another organization that can make a difference in a child's life. So who here doesn't like the idea of making a difference in a child's life? Nobody? Okay, good. Then I'm on the right track. So with that being said, today I'm going to introduce you to an organization that you're probably heard of, seen before, or maybe even donated to. And it will probably make your day even better by donating to it, by helping benefit the lives of children. So, my name is Alyssa Sonnier, and I'm going to give you information about my organization, about how it got started, who it benefits, and why this is an organization worth donating to. So, first off, what is it? Children's Miracle Network Hospitals is a nonprofit organization that raises funds for children's hospitals, medical research, and community awareness for children's health issues. It was started in 1983 by Marie Osmond, Nick Shannon, and Joe Lake with the purpose for the betterment of children's lives that suffer with childhood diseases. It was started with a telethon that raised $4.8 million for 22 children's hospitals across the U.S. and Canada. Since 1983, Children's Miracle Network Hospitals has raised more than $5 billion for 170 children's hospitals across the U.S. and Canada. These donations have gone to support research and training, medical equipment, and payment for uncompensated care, all to save and improve the lives of children, of as many children as possible. So, throughout those years, Children's Miracle Network has provided funds for research, like I said earlier. So, a few examples of what the money goes to would be a few medical successes. Through Children's Miracle Network hospital funds, the hospitals have been successful with separating the first set of conjoined twins. In 2006, they developed the rotavirus vaccine that has saved 600,000 children's lives annually. And they were also the first to cure a child that was infected with HIV. So, this organization affects children. And here are a few statistics, which you don't have to look at because there's a lot of them. A few statistics that shows just how awesome Children's Miracle Network hospitals are. Every minute, 62 children enters Children's Miracle Network hospitals for treatment, whether it be common childhood afflictions like asthma and broken bones, or they fight bigger challenges like birth defects or cancer. These hospitals provide comfort, hope, and treatment to millions. A few of the bigger statistics that are on the board here are that they treat 98% of children that are needing heart and lung transplants, and 88% of children that are fighting cancer. 60% of the services that are provided are to children under the age of 6, and 25% of the services provided are to newborns. So, with all these scary treatments that these children face every day, this hospital is a friendly environment that makes treatment easier for the children to go through. We know it's a scary process, and I honestly have no idea what they're going through because I've never been through something like that. But the hospital provides a comfort atmosphere with nurses that are genuine and make the children feel like they're one in a million. They do different things throughout the year, like with Christmas coming up, they have Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus go to the children that are in bed that can't really interact with everybody else and just make them feel special. They also do like birthday parties for the kids and make them feel like they're normal, just like every other child. One of the programs that is funded by Children's Miracle Network Hospital is the Champions Program. And the Champions Program is a program that selects children based on their courage and perseverance throughout their treatment process. They choose them to act as ambassadors to help raise awareness for Children's Miracle Network hospitals that are treated for children that are treated by CMNH annually. None of this would be possible without the constant support of people like yourselves and corporate businesses like Walmart, Sam's, Rite Aid, Dairy Queen, IHOP, several things like that. So where does the money go to that people like corporate businesses and people like yourselves donate? Well, we all know that medical expenses are not the cheapest thing, and insurance doesn't pay for everything. So what Children's Miracle Network is they provide an opportunity for people that can't necessarily pay for everything themselves, and they don't want to let financial burdens hinder a child's treatment in the hospitals. They pay for new equipment in the hospitals that help to advance in pediatric research. They pay for the medical expenses of the children, and they also pay for take-home equipment for the children, like the walker that I have here. So how can you help? Like I said earlier with the corporate businesses, these corporate businesses do events annually that help to raise money for Children's Miracle Network hospitals. A few of the local things that are provided for us that make it easier to donate is Miracle Treat Day at Dairy Queen, where once a year they do a Miracle Treat Day where you go buy a blizzard, and every blizzard that is sold, the money goes towards Children's Miracle Network hospitals. And we all like ice cream, right? Another one is IHOP National Pancake Day, where all the pancakes that they sell, the profits that they make from the pancakes, goes towards Children's Miracle Network hospitals. And also, whenever you finish eating your pancakes, you can have another opportunity to donate more money if you choose. The miracle balloons, which you've probably seen at different grocery stores, Rite Aid, everything like that, they usually ask you at the cash register whether or not you would like to donate to Children's Miracle Network hospitals. And what it is, you donate money and they give you a balloon to sign your name on it, and they put it up in the window to just thank you for your contribution. Another way, even though money is the biggest supporter of this organization, raise awareness. I have on a miracle band, which is received free whenever you make contributions to Miracle Network Hospital. And it's just to raise awareness about the organization and what it supports. Another way is to also volunteer. The many events that are provided throughout the year for this organization through the corporate businesses, they take a lot of volunteers as well as the Champions program. So they need volunteers constantly that are willing to help out. And also, if you're broke like I am, and you need, like if you still want to give, there's also another way you can give a supporting hand, which is basically, this is not the best crafty thing that I've ever done, but you can be a little crafty and send goodie bags and little things to children at the hospitals. We all know that getting gifts like that can make anybody's day, especially a child. It doesn't take much to make a difference in a child's life. So, why should you donate? Almost 80% of children with cancer will survive today due to advances in medical research that have been funded through Children's Miracle Network Hospital. And in general, Children's Miracle Network Hospital, the donations create miracles by funding medical care, research, and education to save and improve the lives of 17 million children each year. In conclusion, this organization is nonprofit, and it works solely for the betterment of the child's life. Since the beginning, it's raised more than $5 billion that goes towards research and training and medical expenses and to save the lives of so many children. And with the corporate businesses that partner and everything, it makes it easy to donate. We all like to eat. We all like to help a child's life, right? So it makes it easy to donate, and so why wouldn't you donate?